Hello, this is Christina here from Craft Buddies. Okay, I've colored this image of my card here with distress inks. It's a simple watercoloring, which I'll show you how I do it. Okay, I've already stamped the image here with the Hero Arts Clear stamp called as Chilled. For the ink, to stamp this, I use the Hero Arts Black Dye ink. This ink does not smear or bleed and is suitable for watercoloring. Besides, it's also ideal for general stamping. For the paper, I use watercolor paper. This is a 200 gram cold pressed felt marked surface watercolor paper. You can also use regular cardstock, but I just prefer to use watercolor when I'm doing watercoloring because the paper does not fray. Okay, to paint, I use this paint brush. Okay, it comes with a barrel that holds the water like a reservoir. Okay, what you do is actually you open the cover here, fill it with water, which is what I've done here, and then just screw it back tightly. Okay, there is a brush at the end here, and if you squeeze the barrel, okay, the water actually comes out from the nib like that. Okay, of course you can use a regular paintbrush. Okay, just find a nib that is suitable, but I just find it easier to paint with this, and also for convenience I don't have to take a container of water, and also to avoid accidental spill. Okay, now I have here an acrylic block, but this time I'm not using this to stamp, but it serves as a temporary paint palette for me. You can use other surface so long as non-porous. Okay, I have here distress inks. Okay, I'm using 4 colors to color this image. This Tumbler Glass, Broken China, Dry Marigold, and also Worn Lipstick. Please excuse this messy cover. I don't know how it come about like that. Okay, so what I do is actually going to tap this ink onto the block here. Okay, and I also have some paper towel and also scrap paper to test my ink. So I'll go ahead now to tap the ink pad onto my block. Okay, the Broken China. Tumbler Glass. Okay, I'll do the marigold later. Okay, so this serves as a little palette for me to paint. Okay, so let's start watercoloring. Now, there are many ways you want to do this, but I just use the simplest way. This is how I do it. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. Okay. Okay. Now I like to begin by taking some water, tap up a little bit of excess, and add a layer of water on my paper on the area of the image that I'm going to color. Okay. Okay, I just find that if I do this, the ink moves around better. You can skip this step. You will find that it's not necessary. Alright? Okay, what I do next is I will dip some water and mix it with the ink. So what happens when you mix water and the ink becomes watercolor. I test the color. Alright? So if you wanted a lighter color, just add more water. If it's a thicker color, then less water. Alright? So I'm just going to color over this. You can see how easily the color moves. Right? Done. Now, to add some shadings, I just take off some excess water. Okay. just pick up some ink. So it's mainly ink here now. A little bit more. Okay. And go over this area here. Pick up more excess. Okay, to blend it, I will clean my brush by pressing the barrel so the water flush out. So it's a clean brush now, and I'll just blend it. Okay, it's done. So if you want the shade to be darker, you just add in a little bit more ink to this side. Okay. Okay, now to pick up a new color, I have to wash clean my brush. Okay, and again I just dampen the area here. Okay, and pick some color. This is tempered glass. Just go over the area here. Okay. Now for the shading this time, I'm using the broken china. It's a little bit darker color. Okay. And to blend it, again I just wash clean my brush. And just go through this. Okay. Just put a bit more time. Okay. And for the little knob here, it's just a small area. Just color it straight. Alright. Now I will color the little piece of orange, and I'll just wipe the acrylic block first to tap another color. Okay, I'll tap the marigold now. Okay. Again, I will just damp the area here that I want to color. Not too wet, just a little bit. Okay. And I'll pick up the color. It's better to go light first and add in color rather than dark and try to remove the excess color. Okay, so there you are. And then I just dry my brush and pick up just the ink here to add some shading. Okay. And I just use ink here to color the side. Okay. And the straw. So there you are, my simple coloring with distress ink. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this, and give it a try yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye.